Today I'm going to tell you debugging tip for debugging the Swift code. Here I have one method named UI setup. I'm just directly calling this method in view reload. Okay. Inside this method I have some lines of code. After this, if I face anything wrong to debug it, I just wrote one line of code like something is wrong. But now I want a little more clear than this. For this, I'm using compiler directives. Let's see how to use compiler directives. It's very simple. Just string interpolation, pound sign, file, function, string interpolation, pound sign, function, line number, string interpolation, pound sign, line. Just run it. See here in viewcontroller.swift, in function UI setup, in line number 26.